Welcome to Mob Label, where we serve you with authentic news, stories, documentaries, updates, and modern-style insights on our society and the larger world, and more importantly, about places that fall under the radar of the mainstream media machinery. We invite you to embark on this exciting journey of enlightenment with us. Mob Label, your vehicle of enlightenment.
The people of Oluloro Ekiti in Ijero local government area of Ekiti State have staged a protest over what they described as abominable occurrences and rising insecurity in the town, which they blamed on alleged irregularities in the installation of the Oluloro of Iloro, Oba Olufemi Olubisoye.
Ìlú tí wọ́n rí rúdurùdu, ó ti rí rádaràda.
People are dying prematurely. Almost every Sundays, we witness a young death coming to the town every day. It's an abomination.
Káàbá ọ̀run ilé báyìí káàbá káàsùn àròdú oorun o. Àìlójú oorun o. Àìsùn o.
The protesters claimed that the selection process of the traditional ruler violated long-standing customs, leading to what they described as widespread misfortune, neglect by government authorities, and the alleged presence of criminal elements, including bandits and terrorist leaders in the community.
Bí wọ́n ṣe ń jọba ní Ìlọ́rọ̀ kọ́ ló ṣe jẹ ọba. Ó lọ jẹ ọba wá láti Ìjẹ̀rò. Ìlọ́rọ̀ ló ń fi Ìjẹ̀rò jọba. Kì í ṣe Ìjẹ̀rò ló ń fi Ìlọ́rọ̀ jọba.
Ní ìpasẹ̀ wípé a ní olórí, nítorí pé ìlú tó bá ní olórí, ìlọsíwájú látọ̀dọ̀ ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀, látọ̀dọ̀ ìjọba ìbílẹ̀, ó máa kàn wọ́n.
There's no unity in this town. There's no peace in this town. Everything has turned upside down. We have been witnessing kidnapping. Can you imagine a Boko Haram leader residing in our town? This is a town that what they know us for is for farming. Now what they know us for is giving land to those strangers to be planting cannabis.
It is quite unfortunate that Iloro is a great town from the time immemorial. But as of today, we are nothing to write home about, simply because we have an unacceptable king, the one that decided not to do the traditional right, and he claims to be a traditional ruler.
Gbogbo ìlú tó wà ní agbègbè wa kò sí ìlú tí ó tó wa tẹ́lẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ṣèbọn tí àwọn ìlú yẹn ti jù wá lọ nígbà tí a ní olórí rere. Ohun tá à ń fẹ́ sìn pé à ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ à ń rawọ́ sí ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Èkìtì kán jọ̀ọ́ jàre kan bá wà fún wa lọ́ba gidi pé ọba tó wà ń bẹ̀ yìí àmọ́ lọ́ba ní Ìlọ́rọ̀.
Reacting, Oba Olufemi Olubisoye dismissed the protest, insisting that his selection was legitimate and the matter is currently before the Court of Appeal.
That protest is just I think it's just a section of the community, because if I had allowed my followers to come out, it could have been another thing entirely. But I am a peace-loving person, and I love following due process. So it is not for me now to talk about whether my process, my ascension to the throne, the process was follow due process or not, because we are in the court. We are in appeal court, and by the grace of God, the appeal court is sitting tomorrow.
Thanks for watching us today and for joining us on our journey of enlightenment. Mob Label, the vehicle of enlightenment.